Hey, what's up today? I want to be giving you a preview of the Jordan 5 Anthracites. Yeah, I actually was able to say the name right this time. Cue the freaking intro. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Chris Cole with another early box look at the Jordan 5 Anthracites. And I'm pumped to get these because these things were hard to track down for sure. I actually was like, man, I don't like those shoes, you know, and then I was like looking for them and I was like, what the hell? I couldn't even find them anywhere. I finally tracked them down and then like I said, I got them. A lot of people are like, no, I don't really like them. But I think when you guys see the footage we did that you will end up liking them. The material on them is not that great, to be honest. It's not, you can tell like for the price, I think they're about 190 bucks. The material isn't the best. The design is actually pretty cool. I think these would look good in some different outfits with like blue jeans or black jeans, stuff like that. And you know what? The best thing about these, you can go anywhere. Like they're not like a white Jordan 1 or like the trophy rooms where someone steps on them and you like want to kill them. But check out the footage we took of these ones and let me know what you guys think. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna wear these, sell them, not buy them, just pass? This could be one of the rare instances that the sneakers hack actually gives you a win and you feel good about yourself and then you can like post that like, got them, you know what I mean? And then like, you feel like you got some like swag. That happened with me on the Jubilees. And then like, I saw everybody's Instagram had that on there and I didn't look as cool anymore. But I feel like these will be easy to track down. They'll be at all the footsites and all that as well. They'll be pretty hot, but I'm not a big Jordan 5 person, so I'm going to pass. Don't buy these to try to resell them. That is my 100%. One of the big resellers I know that gets early pairs told me to pass on these. So, but I think if you like Jordan 5s, you're definitely a hot shoe though. All right, so follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get me to 1,000 followers. And as always, I'll see you at the top or from the top.